I heard that.
I really wish I was recording that. I was not. You know what?
But it was being a pussy.
Penis enlargement pills.
There. I feel a lot better now.
There you go. You were recording?
Shit. Yeah. I'm recording this time. Hell yeah.
Yippee.
If
Black
y'all
people,
got...
black.
Hey, how's it going, ladies and gentlemen? Welcome to another Gary's Mod video.
Okay.
Now, right now, my friend, he decided to be a dummy dum-dum and release all the FNAF characters, so we're gonna get our beak
Listen.
cut,
Listen.
and that's about it,
Accidents
so...
happen, okay? I
So
don't know.
that's about it. So like, subscribe, and good ciao. I know I'm hiding in this room. I'm Pikachu. Pikachu. Peachy. Hello.
Wait, where are you?
Scratch, Peachy. Scratch, scratch, scratch. Scratch, doggy. Hello, doggy. Peachy, good doggy. Peachy, good doggy. Hello, doggy.
You heard it. You heard it. I saw that. You heard it. You heard it. You heard it. I saw you heard it.
Peachy, good doggy. Hello, doggy. Hello. You're black. What the?
Why would
My
you?
dog! My dog, you killed.
That you've been attacking an animal.
Moo.
I didn't mean to shoot. I've heard. I've. You gotta go like this, like. I heard that. Okay, I heard that you were attacking animal. Don't look at me like that, you big four-headed ass.
That's not. I didn't do it.
Moo.
Apparently, killing yourself on the console is very difficult to do. As we can see here, there's a room. Is that Vanos? Oh my god, it's Vanos!
Moo.
I'm your biggest fan! I'm your biggest fan,
Hey.
come back here! I'm your biggest fan, I'm your biggest fan.
Vanos! Oh my god! It's Vanos! Kill him! Let's just get a closer look here.
Oh yeah, look at all of these.
Get a closer look.
Moo.
You're black.
Moo.
You should end it right there. That clip that we were doing, you should have ended it.
Now my layer must...
Hey!
Why is there a fighter jet?
I need to go for takeoff!
Excuse me, sir. You're not allowed for takeoff.
Did you pin me to the roof?
I guess I did.
Wanna just watch out.
I think...
Oh my god! How the fuck did Freddy Fazbear kill me?
I have no clue. Fire! Oh my god, that is bright. That is bright. Oh god.
Nightmare's
Oh my
coming for you, by the way.
No, it's not.
Okay, why did it get me twice?
Fireworks.
Nightmare Fox
Fireworks.
shouldn't be fast. It'd be slow as hell.
Fireworks. Fireworks. Yeah. Fireworks.
I put Freddy in the wall!
Fireworks. Yummy fireworks.
Freddy
Fireworks.
plushie!
Who was that? I just got jump scared by something. Oh, okay. Hold on, let me get... Oh, he runs! Ah!
He runs?
He runs. He's running. He's coming for your ass. Oh, God!
No, he isn't.
He came. I told you he's come for your ass.
Why does he run? Why is he running?
That's where I am. Oh, hey, how you
Oh
doing?
my god, every time I
Whoa!
turn around, my shit gets blurry. Oh,
Yeah,
he's following me around. Oh, that's great.
I got a face full of his cock. Oh, good, you died. Oh, no.
What the fuck? Stop! Okay,
I'm
we're
putting
good.
this on.
You look so retarded. Censor that.
I can't see anything.
You gotta
Whoa.
censor retarded. Okay.
Whoa.
Ooh.
Whoa. Oh my god.
What the fuck?
I have power! Come here! I'm gonna kill you! Come here, you retarded retard.
Pikachu. Pikachu! Put that down. Alright, Pikachu. Here you go.
Yeah, what's that? Ow. And you
It's
knocked
a-
my camera over! Camera, me.
Hey guys, welcome back to another video.
I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Please do it again.
Hey guys, welcome back to another video. And today, we're gonna be gay.
Wait, we're gonna be. I didn't sign up for this.
He did. There was
I
a
did not.
petition.
I did not sign up for this. Okay.
Oh yeah,
I
are
want
you
you to.
gonna sign the petition for Orange County? They're trying to ban phones.
Joke's on you. I don't live in Orange County.
I don't give a shit.